morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys having a great weekend. A little bit something different today. I'm working, but I'm not working, so I'm not dirty today. But I'm going to look at some jobs around London. So I wanted to show you guys kind of a little bit of London city and maybe a little bit of my drive and some of the jobs that I might look at today as well. So tag along. Also, just a little bit about my hobbies. Besides working, which is one of my number one hobbies, as you could probably tell, cars is also one of my passions as well. So today I've ditched the van and I'll be driving my car today. So to show you guys my car, my little bundle of joy that I have a little bit of fun with. And let me know if you're into cars or if you're into any hobbies. Let me know what that is as well in the comment section, what passions that you share and what fun you have in your spare time. All right, thanks for watching. So this is my red Porsche Boxster. Some people call it the baby Porsche, and it's a convertible, which they all are pretty much. And it's red with grey interior, grey and black interior. It's the 2.5 litre model for anybody that knows about these cars, and it's one of the early models of this car. It's a 1998, I believe, and yeah, it's in good condition and well maintained and so on, and it gives me fun. So we're out in this today and we'll be cruising through London, all over London actually, and I'll show you guys a little bit of the drive, and if we see anything interesting along the way landmark wise, I'll try and see if I can film it and just tell you a little bit about it as well. All right, so I'm starting off in South London, Brixton, and we're heading at the moment first to northwest London, near the iconic Wembley Stadium. So that's the journey. We'll be crossing through central London, probably crossing we will be crossing one of the bridges. I'm not sure which one yet, but one of the London bridges. So I'll take you around there and I'll let you see a bit of London. Here on the right you can see the new London taxi cabs, the iconic black taxis. These are new ones. I think some of them are electric now as well. We've got a tour bus here on the left for sightseeing. So we're just outside the grounds of Buckingham Palace. We'll see the walls of the palace, one side anyway, but we won't see the palace from here. We're too far away, but we'll be driving along the walls of one side of the grounds. So we're right in Westminster now, heading up to one of the royal parks, Hyde Park. So on the right hand side where you can see the long wall straight ahead on the right with the barbed wire fence and stuff. This is the perimeter of Buckingham Palace Gardens, so it's quite big. This is the probably southern part. Okay, so at my first stop, going to have a look at this roof. Apparently there's a leak somewhere, so I'm going to go around the back and have a look at this one. So I'm up on the roof. Great view of London from here. And I'm just on top of this flat fiberglass roof, which is on top of a loft. And just gonna have a look at this and see where these leaks are coming from. I think I can see already, so let's I'll show you what. This is the roof. It's a flat roof. This is a loft extension, so this is another level on top of the house. If you can look at next door, you can see how their roof is next door. Okay, typical roof. And this is the roof that we're on top of. You can see they've built into the attic, and they've extended the roof here, so this part of the house has a full ceiling height. It's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom being added up here. So we can see here straight away the ridge tiles. There are a number of cracks and gaps where water will penetrate. Some are worse than others. There's some here. There's some that's totally come out here and here, and this one's probably the worst one, so it's completely perished. And it could do with sealing here with some type of sealant as well. You can see a drop here as well, which actually had been sealed, but it's dropped, and you can see gaps under here where rainwater would get through. The flashing here as well, it's even coming away, it's coming out, that's come out of, that should be into the wall here, and that's come away. And here, not sure what it's like underneath, but okay, it rolls up, so it should be okay underneath, but water can get through here as well. Let's look at the condition of the actual fiberglass. I mean, this is not a great job with the matting here at all. This looks like it might have been repaired of some sort. This looks like it could have been repaired at some time, but the gel coat doesn't seem to have any gel coat over it. So, to be honest, it's not been done great, this roof. But we can certainly repair these ridge tiles. Basically, they'd have to come off and be relaid again. So that's what I think needs to be done. Here's your chimneys that go all the way down to the ground. So, all right, guys. So that was that job. Also looked at a couple of other things that they wanted done, doing the driveway, doing some work in the garden as well. So if we go down there and do that, that'll be a video that'll be coming in the future. Now off to see another job as well, another roof again, another leaking roof. So just heading out there now. Should be a nice drive. So I made a quick stop because I was passing through Wembley, so right next to the Wembley Park Stadium, or Wembley Stadium, which is the London's or England's national stadium. So I thought I'd just quickly stop, pull over, just show you what we can see from here. This is pretty much the back of the stadium, but you can kind of see it. It's quite a large stadium. I believe it holds in the region of 80, somewhere between 80 and 100,000, somewhere around that. It's been recently rebuilt, well, probably, maybe, when I say recently, maybe 10 years ago. So this is Wembley. I used to live in this area, actually. So this is my old area. I just thought I'd show you this stadium. So we're moving now out of London, actually, just on the outskirts of London, on my way to look at a leaking roof, another leaking roof. So we're gonna head up on the highway. So here now I'm at this second job, just looking at this flat roof. Customers had someone put in these skylights, retrofit them later, 6 months after the roof was built, and they've been having leaking problems pretty much since then. So there's been some patches tried to be done with this type of gummy kind of material, but it's still leaking. So basically suggesting that all around this area that's got the gum has been removed, cut the fiberglass off in those areas and refiberglass that area again, and pretty sure that should solve the issue. So that is it for today, and time to head back home. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed this little trip with me around on my Saturday, and look forward to this week's videos that will be coming, so watch out for those. And as usual, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe or like this video, or give us a comment. Let us know what you think about the video, and any questions you might have as well, let me know in the comment section. So thanks a lot, and hope you have a great day. Bye.